So what I'd like to do is start, because we have, what is it? It's 20 to 4, right? And basically what I want to do is to have everybody work on their own, a piece, like an idea of taking a fairy tale and to play with it.
Can we go individually and find out if anyone has any ideas?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Okay. Who would like to volunteer?
Who's the brave one?
Mm-hmm.
I will.
Okay, all right.
Okay. You think it's easy having magic powers. I could spend hours explaining why that's not the case. If I knew what to do with these abilities, I won't be ill at ease, because they surely have a place. Still, it's hard to mend this rift. Do I have a curse or gift? There are many other questions I can mention. Don't they know I never planned to have this go out of hand? Turning people into frogs was never my intention. I wouldn't mind being normal and doing what normal folk do. That's where it goes up to.
Oh, cool. That's
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole song is called Normal.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
You just answered my question. I was saying, is there a title? And there you go.
Yeah.
Only one not pure rhyme.
Right, yeah.
What?
Which one?
And man or something.
Don't they know I never planned to have this go out of hand?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
No, planned end. That's fine. No, there was another one. But anyway, I think it's terrific.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really very nice writing.
I think you should finish it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Cindy Staymore's Lament.
Okay.
I thought forever my existence would be the same, that I was a player in a predictable game. But something's happened that's given me pause. After 25 years, Mark's left me for a chick named Maud. My job at the factory has gone up in smoke. Automation's made my job a joke. My landlord said that he wants me out. The building's gone co-op. What's that about? It seems you can't count on things to stay the course. Life's not like still water, but a bucking horse. I wish someone had given me this sage advice. There's no way you can step in the same river twice.
Oh, wonderful.
Wow. That's great.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And what are you calling that one?
Cindy Staymore's Lament.
So Staymore is kind of like a play on being
On
stuck.
Staying the
Right.
course.
Staying
Yeah.
the course, yeah.
Yeah.
Staying
In her
That's very good.
apartment.
Yeah.
Staying with the boyfriend, staying with the apartment, staying with the job.
Yeah,
That's
nice
what she said.
structure in the.
Yeah.
It's very,
Thank
very
you.
good structure.
Yeah.
Thanks, I appreciate the opportunity to do it.
Yeah.
It's
Thank
great.
Did you know you were such a good lyricist?
I'm actually, I've been in writers groups and I've been praised for doing stuff, but thank you, I appreciate it.
Great.
I really do.
Yeah. It's great.
How about you?
Okay. This is from the point of view of the wolf,
Right.
who is, in the defense stand in court. He's about to be sentenced to death for the murder of Little Red Riding Hood and her grandmother. Your Honor, you heard what was said, or at least you heard from Little Red. She tells a tale that's mean and gory, but there's two sides to every story. And when you know the inner me, oh, 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 you'll set me free. That girlie, the one in the hood, oh, she seems so sweet and oh so good. The heroine of every drama, but she's a fake and so's her grandma. And when you hear my side, then you'll agree. Oh, 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 you'll set me free. My woods used to be natural and green, ecologically sound and fantastic. Then Red came along, and out of her basket she pulled out a bottle and dumped out the plastic. Her grandma threw out an aluminum can. What was next? I took an action plan. I did what any good wolf would do. I ate her up and her grandma too. Well, now you heard my side, you will agree. Oh, 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 you'll set me free.
Wow.
Yeah.
And a melody too yet.
Yeah. What are you gonna call it?
Oh,
Oh. Good.
you'll set me free.
Great.
And Cinderella starts to sing. I have a dream, and it's all that I have. Right or wrong, I dream of it each night. In my dream, I have a gown of white, and I'm feeling so gay and so bright. As I sit drinking tea, I dream of what could be. If I just give up on the group of three, on our group of three, and find my own way to the ball without a fuss. And then I redid the last part of this. What could I do? Would it be tough? Have I saved enough to call for an Uber cab and not go bust?
Cool.
Sort of modernizing the
Yeah.
That's one way of getting out of it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very cute.
Yeah.
Marion.
Mine doesn't rhyme.
Well,
Doesn't matter.
not all things rhyme.
Well, this one is on Sleeping Beauty and PTSD. I don't know what to call it, but I've been harassed, I've been abused, I've been used, but I'm still in time and tune to looking for my prince who's not a perpetrator. Help is on the way, it's the support is the only way, love is the only way. Do you feel what I feel? Hold my hand and we're there. Empathy and kindness save us all. Oh, send me my prince, send me my prince. I'm ready to meet my prince because I trust myself and love myself. And so he'll help, but he can't help but love me too.
You can't help but love me too. You did do some rhyming, so there.
I did.
Internal rhyming.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. When you came around, there was an internal rhyme. Yeah.
Thank you. Really. What's an internal rhyme?
Well, it's not like June and moon. It's like it's within the sentence. So he said that he would go,
You want to read the line?
yeah, read the line.
Just read it. Don't sing it, and I'll show you where it is.
From the beginning? No. To the end?
Just at the beginning, it shows up pretty
Okay.
quickly.
I've been harassed, I've been abused, I've been used,
There
but
it
I'm
is.
still in time and tune.
It's when you use a rhyme, but you continue the
Abused
sentence.
and used
You say you
was an
continue.
internal rhyme.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you continue the sentence after you have been used so badly. When you're expressing an emotion, it isn't best to hit it head on. Sometimes,
Like metaphorically.
metaphorically, yeah. And you're talking about how you feel, rather than saying I'm harassed, I'm abused. Talking about how it makes you feel rather than just stating I've been abused.
Oh, I feel,
So
okay.
that you're not hitting it dead on, which makes
Like
for
for
much
instance,
more interesting.
like it's actually specificity. Like to say something like, there's a pit in my stomach
Yeah,
every time I look at him.
yeah, rather than saying he makes me feel upset.
Yeah. Something that gives you like a almost like a visual
So that
feel.
somebody else relates to it in a very
Yeah.
specific way.
Yeah.
But there's some wonderful work here.
Yeah.